Williams thinks right now is what's happening. Right now, the decline. He thinks the tide is turning, and it's headed a little ahead of schedule, with investors increasingly turning bearish. And he predicts the bears will have the run of the place, get this, through mid-February. That said, he still thinks we could rebound from these levels, but you know what? He's recommending selling into any strength, even as he's still not backing away from the long-term bull market thesis. Look at this. Let's take a look at the action in the CBOE Volatility Index. That's the fear index, which is it's a gauge that does a great job of reflecting the overall level of terror in the marketplace. When the VIX goes down, that means investors are feeling confident. When it goes up, that's usually a sign of fear. Today, for example, it's up nearly 17%. This is a remarkable move, and I know I've got some other people working on this, too, that we're going to talk about tomorrow, because I have to tell you, this was very disconcerting to me, and I've got to spend more time on it than usual. Williams likes the VIX because it captures the raw emotions of investors. It gives you a read on the animal spirits of the market. He also believes there's a cycle to volatility, which is why he tries to forecast that cycle based on the VIX's past behavior. And that's the red line in this chart, okay? His VIX forecast. Look at this spike. This may sound like he's making stuff up out of whole cloth, but there's a ton of rigor involved in the process. And the VIX forecast is one of the reasons Williams was able to call the bottom in August. Right now, based on the volatility cycle, he's anticipating a sustained upturn in the VIX, which tends to be very bad for the S&P 500. Based on his forecast, the volatility index should keep rising through February 11th, the day after my birthday, not that that's relevant. In other words, investors are starting to turn bearish right here, and Williams expects them to stay that way for the next couple of months.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.